grand
I
finale.
don't care. Because videos, you get them right. Are you? I think the grand finale's coming up.
No, it's not. So stupid.
It doesn't look that big on the camera. Oh, that was my favorite.
Oh, okay. Oh, this one's gonna be good.
Oh.
Dude.
Yeah, dude.
Look at that. There's that person looking at all the smoke. Dude, you should go to the skate park and watch this.
Yeah,
They probably have it locked up.
yeah, they do actually.
There might be people sitting in there.
Yeah, probably. Like in the bowl, so I don't see them.
I've just climbed in there. Oh.
You know what sucks? You can't zoom in on this. Oh, here comes an urban.